Today we're going to identify the national holidays and describe people and events. We're also going to describe work people do. And these people are our community helpers. Many people work. What jobs do people do? Many workers use tools. Many workers wear special clothes. Can you think of what jobs people may have? Look at the pictures of the workers. Can you tell me what these workers do? What is happening in this picture? What do you see? What are they wearing? What are they doing? These are firefighters. Firefighters help keep people safe. As you can see, these two firefighters are wearing special clothes that keeps them safe and protects them from the fire. In this picture, what do you see? Police officers. Police help keep people safe. What do you see in this picture? Yes, a sailor and a soldier. Sailors and soldiers keep the country safe. And in the picture below, what is happening in this picture? What do you see? Yes, these are farmers, and farmers grow the food we eat. They use special tools and special vehicles to plant our food. People get paid to work. They use the money to buy things they need and want. On Labor Day, we honor America's workers. Labor Day is in September. The word labor means work. Here, the first Monday in September is Labor Day. Children today do not have jobs. Children long ago did, but they needed to go to school. Let's take a look at our Studies Weekly. You will work to complete your Studies Weekly. Let's go over this together. This Studies Weekly is jobs people do. Here you can see, as we discussed earlier, all the different jobs people do. I want you to look at your Studies Weekly. Open up your Studies Weekly. Let's look at this page together. Look at the pictures of the workers. And let's talk about the tools they use. What tools do firefighters need? What tools do police officers need? Look at the pictures and think about what police officers need. What do they need to keep us safe? Think about the tools sailors and soldiers need. What do they need to keep the country safe? Look at the picture and think about what tools farmers need to grow the food we eat. On this page, people get paid to work. As you can see, she is holding a check, and this is how people get paid. Once they get paid, they use the money to buy things they need and want, like a car. We celebrate Labor Day to honor America's worker. Labor Day is the first Monday in September. Here is a picture of children working. What do you think of this picture? What do you see? Children today do not have jobs. Children long ago did, but they needed to go to school. What do you think about working? What would you do if you had to work as a child? If you had to work right now, what would you do? What type of work would you like to do? What would you like to be? Would you like to be a firefighter? What type of work do you think these children are doing in this picture? On the back of your studies weekly, you will work to match the tools to the workers who use them. What tool is this, and which workers would use this tool? Would it be the police officers, the farmer, the soldier, or the fireman? What tool do you see here? What tool do you see here? What is this a picture of? Which worker would we match this to this picture or to this tool? And last, which worker would we match to this tool? I'm going to read the sentence, and I want you to tell me which word would go best or fit best in the sentence. The word labor means, is it tool or work? The word labor means tools, or does it mean work? Number two, many workers use tools, or do they use work? What do workers use? And then the last pictures, I want you to count the tools the farmers would use and write the number in the space below. Now let's go back so you can check your work. We're going to match the tool. What is this a picture of? Yes, this is a picture of a fire truck. Which worker would need to use this tool? Would it be the police officer, the farmer, the soldier, or the fireman? Yes, the fireman would need to use this tool. I'm going to draw a line from the picture of the fireman to the fire truck. And this is a picture of a helmet. Which picture or which worker would need a helmet? If we look at the police officers, they are not necessarily wearing one in this picture, but sometimes they do need a helmet. But when we look at this picture, we do see the helmet on the soldier. So I'm going to draw a line from the soldier, from the helmet to the soldier. Now let's take a look at this picture. This is a picture of a badge. Which worker would need a badge? Would it be the farmer or the police officer? I'm going to draw a line from the police officer to the badge. And the last picture is a picture of a tractor. Which worker would need that picture of a tractor? Yes, the farmer. And as you can see, there's a picture of the tractor here in the farmer's picture. Going back to the sentence I read to you, the word labor means work. So I'm going to circle the word work. And number 2, many workers use tools. That's what we should have circled for that one. Now we're going to count the tools the farmer used. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tools in that picture, so I'm going to write the number 3 on that line. Now let's count the tools in this picture. I see 1, 2 barns in this picture, so I'm going to write the number 2 on that line. And in the last one, there are wheelbarrows in this picture. Let's count how many wheelbarrows we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is correct. There are 5 wheelbarrows in this picture. All right, so that is the end of that. I am going to leave this here for you all to finish up. Make sure you put your name at the top of your paper. Write your name.